Athena and Zozo Tours made getting to many Wellington sites and landmarks so easy. As a solo traveler, their low minimum required bookings also meant I had a good chance to attend and not be left to my own transport. The locations were very interesting, spectacular, relevant, or all three. I loved the lunch spot, the conversation, and the momentum of the tour meant we got to squeeze a lot into approximately 5 hours. Athena was a breath of fresh air who made sure we felt welcome and informed. She was a highlight of an already lovely day. Thanks, Zozo. We had door-to-door service in a comfortable MBZ van that had lots of windows. Our guide, Athena, has a wealth of interesting information about the region. We hit all of Wellington's highlights. The only disappointment was the much-loved chocolate fish restaurant was permanently closed in January, thanks to Peter Jackson of Lord of the Rings movie fame, who refused to renew the restaurant's lease. But the replacement cafe where we stopped for lunch was quite good. We loved our tour, it was a lovely and comfortable way to see the city. Our guide, Athena, was the highlight. Such a kind and knowledgeable lady, she was so friendly. She took us to a lovely out-of-the-way cafe for lunch which was absolutely delicious. The other highlight was our traveling companions, in particular a hilarious American chap and his ongoing epic battle with the van seatbelt. He had my friend and I in stitches. This was a great view of Wellington. We drove all along the coast and to two peaks overlooking the city. I feel the length of time spent was right. I did not feel rushed at any stop. The lunch that was included was generous and very good. We had a small group of less than 15 people. Our guide was very knowledgeable. A delightful scenic tour of I could have done without Weta. Lunch took a long time. Guide stopped and got us a New Zealand meat pie, very tasty. My favorite was cable to top, very short but a great way to get to trail down through gardens to the Rose Garden. Enjoyed the TGE very fast stroll through nature. Wow! The best day of our holiday. Our guide Gary was incredible, a lot of info, we learned so much. The tour covered a wide view of Wellington, covered a lot of distance and sights. Lots of laughs and yes, lunch was delicious. Highly recommend this tour. A fabulous day out. Our favorite New Zealand city. Our tour guide was fantastic, the stops were as close to the attraction visited as could have been humanly possible. Our tour guide Gary was an absolute star and the views we saw together with the context given by Gary was absolutely spot on. A must-do tour to capture just some of what Wellington has to offer. Pick up straight from the hotel. Great value for money. Our guide Gary made the experience so enjoyable. Great fun. Beautiful scenery. Top-notch lunch. Would highly recommend. We enjoyed our tour around Wellington, visiting interesting places and get to top of mountain with a large wind turbine plus great 360 view of Wellington. The driver was very friendly and informative. Must do. We had a great time touring throughout the city with our driver Peter. He was very knowledgeable and personable. The restaurant that we had lunch at also served very tasty food and had a nice staff.